Hi everyone, it's Monty with the Polka Dot Pinecone here today to show you the unboxing of the My Monthly Hero kit from Hero Arts. So I thought I'd unbox it, show you what comes in it, and then I will come back and show you what I make with it. So first off, you get some Hero Arts mini ink cubes. You get blue reactive, unicorn white, and red reactive. So 3 different colors there. And you get, let's see, some really thick, heavy postcard pieces that are already made up with this postcard stamped on it and stuff. So you could make something out of these if you want to. Anyway, there's 3 of those. And they're super heavy weight. So there's 3 of those you can make something out of. You get some red and some blue ribbon that's tied up around the stuff. I think this is usually about 1 yard each. Measure it here. Let's see, so it's a little over 2 yards, yeah, of each. So 1 red, 1 blue. And then you get this big stamp set. So it's got some fun things in it. Let's see if I have a piece of white to put on that so you can see better the thing. So you got some borders for like cards and stuff. And this one's to go around the corner. So a few different borders. We got a scene of a amusement park there. We got some sayings. I'm here for you through ups and downs. We got happy birthday and an arrow. You make the world go round. An arrow with here. A ticket that says ticket to fun. A pointing finger that says fun, and then enjoy the ride. Come one, come all. We have a hello with open letters and then a hello there. And then a welcome. It looks like a couple of these fit inside this airplane pulling a banner. So yeah, this one here is angled to put in there, and so is this welcome. So both those would fit inside this cute little airplane pulling the flag. We got a merry-go-round. We've got a roller coaster. We got a cloud. We got a small balloon with a string and a small star balloon with a string. And then there's another balloon, a heart balloon with a string. We got some fireworks. We got like a little snack concession stand right there. We got a hot air balloon. We got a Ferris wheel. Lots of cute stuff with this. So you could make some really fun things with this. Not only cards, but this would be great to use on a scrapbook page and stuff too, or a, like a memory book or mini album documenting like a day at an amusement park like Lagoon or something like that. So real fun stamp set. And then you also get these dies. So this one is a big plate die, so it will cut out this raise and fit on the front of a card. This one here you'll cut out, of course, and this will fit around the ticket, so you have the ticket to fun. We've got an arrow that fits around the arrow, it says here. We got the hand that fits around the fun with the finger pointing. We've got one that goes around the hot air balloon. We got this one that'll fit around the Ferris wheel. We got this one that'll fit around the merry-go-round, and this one will cut out the roller coaster. And then this one right here will cut out the airplane and the banner flying. So lots of fun ones that it will cut out. And then it's pretty cool that you get this whole big, background die also that'll cut out those rays. You could also use that as a stencil. So anyway, lots of fun stuff to make with, and so I will be back to show you guys what all I make with it. So if you're not already doing so, please hit the subscribe button and follow me on YouTube and on my website, the Polka Dot Pinecone. You can find me on Instagram there also. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.